Hello everybody, we are continuing BattleTech. I wanted to make a quick video to show people how to add in their own custom emblems or logos or crests, whatever you want to call it. So as you can see here on mine at the right, I have added in a custom logo. So the way we do this is actually very simple. It's a multi-step process depending on what you need to do, but fairly straightforward. So the first thing to do is finding the location that you need to go to actually add in the particular image. So you go to wherever your Steam Games folder is, if you're on Steam, or Game folder, and we'll see that in a second, and open that. For Steam users, you go to Steam Games, Steam Apps, Common, and then the game. Now once you get here for BattleTech, this should look the same for everyone, unless you're doing anything custom. Right? So when you're at the BattleTech folder, you actually go to BattleTech Data, Streaming Assets, Emblems, and then Players. The Factions one, I haven't tried changing that, but that's for all the other factions. The player ones, these are the preset ones. Now what you need to do is a couple things. First, you want to make sure that you invert your image, right? If you look at these, all of them appear upside down. In game, it then flips it. So if it's right upside here, it's going to be flipped in game. So just something to be cognizant of. The second piece is the way you get the logo to show up in the game is you actually delete one of these, so you could delete it. But before you do, copy the name. Delete one of these and then paste your picture in and rename it with whatever one you deleted. So here, this was a different logo or emblem. I took the name, I deleted it because I knew I was never going to use it. I added my logo in, inverted it, and then renamed it. There's one other item that you're going to have to do. If you have a JPEG, you will have to convert to a DDS image. Right, so just be cognizant of that fact. There are a bunch of free JPEG or whatever you have file converters. It does have to be in the .dds format or it will not work. And you can see the ones that they have here, they're all in DDS. So you're going to want to make sure that you convert it. If you don't, the game will either bug out or it won't load any of the crests. I experimented there. So 3 things to remember. You go to the folder, right folder, you delete one and you copy the name of the image, you paste your image in, make sure it's inverted, that it's in DDS format, and then rename it to the whatever one you deleted. After you do that, what you want to do is you want to go into into the game, and you go to your captain's quarters and you click on the atlas, and you can change your color scheme, etc. And then here for crests, what you'll see is your crest will show up. So these are all the crests, which whatever one you replace that location, that's where it will be found. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, would really appreciate a thumbs up and a subscribe. I will be posting additional content. Thank you for taking the time to watch and hope you have a good day.